They say old is gold. Let me show you this unit at Ridgewood Condo. A few highlights for this listing. This is a 3-bedroom unit for sale. Within the unit, it's 1614 square feet. They don't make condos like that anymore. As such, all your rooms are very spacious and squarish. Within the dining area, you can fit a 10-seater dining table. This unit is also within Block 15, which is the closest walk to Dover MRT. For more information, this is the number to call. My name is Gabriel, your 8100 agent. Thank you for watching.